What's up, guys? We're here in Elite Sports Cards. We're doing the filler to fill the SPA case, Group Break 176. I sold top 7 wins. We're going to go live. Live at, oh, that's not what I want, 143. It's 143 here in Denver. We're going to go get us a fresh list. So we got Hanu on top and Grant on the bottom. Hanu on top, Grant on the bottom. Guys, we're going 3 times. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2. Grant on top after 2. That is in at 144. 144. Third and final time, guys. Good luck. We got Anders, Grant, Hanu, Stacy, Hanu, Grant, and Anders. Top 7. Actually, I will do this timestamp first. $145. $145. I will line you guys up to your teams. Anders, you got Boston, Grant, Washington, Hanu, Calgary, Stacy, the Preds, Hanu, Florida, Grant, the Islanders, and Anders, the Jets.